Hello everybody and welcome. In this video, we'll look at various ways of being productive using Microsoft Outlook. The goal is to address common situations that people encounter and to show you quick and easy ways to handle them. There is no set learning pattern, so feel free to skip around using the timestamps below. All right, let's get into it. Let's kick things off by looking at quick parts. Quick parts can be used to bypass having to type the same email over and over again. The way quick parts work is to first select the text you want to reuse, then click on Insert, Quick Parts, Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery, or alternatively, you can press Alt F3. The choice is yours. From there, give your quick part a name. Next, to use the quick part, you have a couple choices. You can either type the name you gave it and then press F3 and the whole text will be added, or you can choose Insert, Quick Parts, hover over the one you want, and click to insert it. If you ever want to delete a quick part, in the quick part menu, hover over the one you want to get rid of, right-click, and choose Organize and Delete. Next, let's say you have that one coworker who continually sends emails asking for a meeting when they really should be sent as a meeting request. Not sure how we can help them, but we can take the email they sent, drag it up here to the calendar icon on the far left-hand side, let go, and Outlook will convert the email into an appointment. From here, we can save it as is, or if we want to be a bit more formal, you can click on the Invite Attendees button, and that will change the appointment to an official meeting. From here, we can fill in the blanks and send it when we're ready. This one could be a game changer. It's called Conversation View, and it allows you to do just what the name implies. Outlook will group all the emails from a thread based off the subject. Simply put, it shows you the entire email chain and eliminates you having to look around for individual emails. To activate the conversation view, click on View, Shows Conversations, and then you have the option of applying it to specific folders or the entire mailbox. In this case, I'll just go with all mailboxes. Now we can click on our emails and see the entire chain. Okay, moving on. Let's say you are trying to coordinate a meeting with an outside client. Oftentimes with this circumstance, you end up emailing each other a whole bunch of times trying to find something that works. So instead of that hassle, create a new email, then click Insert Calendar. From there, you can use a preset option or go with the date range that works for you. You can also decide how much detail you want to share, along with a few other options. From there, send the email and they can work it out. If you're like most people, you'll find yourself constantly jumping between your inbox and your calendar. And quite frankly, all that clicking can get a bit irritating. So a fast way to jump between them is to press Control-1 or press Control-2. Control-2 will take you to the calendar. Control-1 will take you to the inbox. Odds are most of you already know about your search bar at the top of your screen, yet there are more things you can do than just simple searches. For example, you can look for a specific sender by typing out to: or from: followed by their name. And you can also go one step further by typing in subject: followed by your keywords. As an added bonus, you can add the phrase has attachment: yes, and you can get a little bit more narrow with what you're looking for. This next feature, I gotta admit, I tend to think is a little bit underutilized, but you tell me. Let's say you find yourself going up to the search bar and doing the same search over and over and over again. Clearly, it gets really old really quick. So to make your life easier, you can use something called a search folder. Think of the search folder as being a saved or preserved search, so that when you click on it, it will show you just the items you've been using the search bar to find. The way it works is on the left-hand side where it says Search Folders, right-click, then choose New Search Folder. You'll have a couple choices to work with. In this case, we'll go with Custom. Next, we have to set up the criteria we want to use, so we'll click Choose, then give the folder a name, then click Criteria. Here we can tell Outlook to search for specific emails from a particular sender, look for specific text, etc. For demo purposes, we'll keep it simple and say we want to find updates from a client's particular project. Now, after we save everything, when we click on the search folder, you'll see just the specific things you're looking for. Not too bad. Okay, and that'll do it. We hope you've liked this video, and we will see you in the next one.